Oh my God. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that. Wow. This can only mean one thing. Yes, it's allotment 25. Welcome everyone. This Fathi Loaw looks absolutely amazing. Wouldn't you agree, guys? Beautiful. It's not the only one. Let me take you for a quick tour of the Sangari. Have a look at this on the top. That looks absolutely massive. Wow. Impressed with that one. And just round the side, look, you've probably seen it already. But look at that. Number 3. Not as big as the other two. Nevertheless, it's still impressive. Excellent. And then finally, look at that. Wow. Hanging off the trellis is another Fathi Loaw. Brilliant. They all look amazing. For a Bangladeshi gardener, this is a pure 110% proud moment. Well done. Today, I'm going to harvest all 4 of these Fathi Loaws. I'm going to be sharing them with friends and families. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for latest updates. But today, these Fathi Loaws are going home. Before I start harvesting, I have a major announcement to make about the future of allotment 25. I am so excited about this. Make sure you stay tuned for more information. Gloves and scissors ready? Let's start harvesting these beauties. I'm gonna start with this one. Right, what's the best way to approach this, right? I've decided against using the gloves. Just gonna try and grab it like that. Hopefully one snip will do it. Oh, very strong. Look at that. Wow. It's massive. Absolutely humongous. Let me put it down. Where shall I put it down? Yeah, let me put it on the chair. Look at that, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? It's the size of a baby. Let me get the other ones. This one is just so high up. Not really sure how I'm going to grab it and record at the same time. But let me give it a try. Just hopefully one snip and I'll get it done. Boom. Two down, 2 to go. This third one's going to be a challenge. It's too high up. I'm going to have to get on these pallets and try and get it. Let me try and grab this third one without actually injuring myself. I'm standing on top of the pallets right now because this is too high. So I don't want to fall over and record myself, otherwise that's going on. You've been framed or something similar to that. Right, let's cut this. Hopefully one snip. Damn, it's very strong. Struggling. Ah, got it. There you go. Wow. Can you see that? There you go in the sunlight. That's another one. Well, not almost. It's just as big as a newborn baby. Damn. Such a proud moment. Taken all 4 Fathi Loaws down. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record the 4th one coming down. I had a bit of a camera moment. But I just wanted to show you this, that even though I've taken all 4 down, it's not the end of the Fathi Loaws. Still on the Sangari. Look at that, I got this. So I'm going to be keeping a keen eye on this one. And then just round here, there's another one. There, look. That's a fairly larger one than the one before. So I'm still hoping for a few more. But I've got my eyes on these 2 for now. But let me show you what I've harvested. Great guys, you're gonna love it. Look at that. Look at these 4 beauties. Look at them. Aren't they just absolutely gorgeous? Look at the size of these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Like I said, I'm going to share these with friends and family. As always, keep a lookout on Instagram for latest updates. But guys, excellent. This is such a proud moment for me. This is the creme de la creme for any Bangladeshi gardener. I'm so grateful. Hopefully next year we'll have more. But this is brilliant. I said I've got an exciting announcement to make about the future of Allotment 25. I'm so excited to share this with you. Come and have a look at this. So this is the boundary for Allotment 25. I don't know if you can see that rope there. That's where Allotment 25 ends. The scenes, I've been in regular contact with the council. I've been trying to expand Allotment 25 to here. This is the other half. And so far, I've been unsuccessful. Apparently that plot's not available, even though you can see it's hardly being used by whoever's got it. What a waste. Nevertheless, we're not here to judge. But recently, the council have been in touch with me. They've reached out and offered me an alternative solution. So, take a walk with me and let me show you what it's all about. Come, let's go. These are the beauties of this area. Look around. Lovely, isn't it? This is one of the best looking sites. Love it. Let's carry on walking. This is where everybody gets their water from. Look at that. Lovely. Not far to go. Literally here. 3, 2, 1, boom! Allotment 25 is officially expanding. The council have seen the good work that we've done at Allotment 25, and they've given me the opportunity to acquire this plot, which I've done. It's a full plot, not officially mine for a few more days, but it's quiet. There's no one around. Let's take a sneaky peek, shall we? As you can see, not a lot been going on here. Whoever previously had it before me hasn't been doing much, but it is a massive plot. The neighbors have been doing quite well. They got a little baby greenhouse over there. Look at those beautiful apples. Few raised beds, so once upon a time they must have been doing something. Got some posts over there. Look at that. A couple of Christmas trees on my border. But the best thing about it, it comes with a shed. Actually, not one, but two. I mean, can't really call this a shed, can you? It's massive. I won't go inside because it's not mine. I'm going to wait until it's officially mine, but I just thought I'd give you a quick peek. slabs. Don't really get these at allotments, do you? And it comes with another small shed on the side, so that's going to be useful. Let me give you a view from this end. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Let me know in the comments what you want me to do in this place. 2026, it's going to be brilliant. I'm so excited what the future holds. So this is for 2026, but for now, let's go back to home and finish off with the Fathi Loaws. That's the harvest for today. I would say it's my best to date. Although the sun is out, winter, it's just round the corner, and nature is getting ready to go into hibernation, and so am I. This will be my final video for 2025. Thank you for joining me on my allotment gardening journey and showing me your love and support. I truly appreciate it. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok for regular updates. But don't worry, I'll be back in 2026, bigger and better. Until next time, take care, look after yourself. All the best. Bye-bye.